Hey guys, how y'all doing? Raider FPV here. Hope you guys are all doing great. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've posted. I haven't really been flying much. We've had the whole virus thing going on. You guys know what's going on. The world's just been crazy lately. Our parks have been closed down and stuff. They opened up lately, but in the midst of everything, I've just been doing a lot of thinking. It's like, man, I really want to like feel reinvigorated in this hobby. So, man, I decided to go all in. And get the DJI HD system, the FPV system. I've got it on the shipping on the way from Race Day Quads. They put it on sale for Father's Day sale. So it was like a huge discount. And so I picked up my first HD quad. I decided just to get a bind and fly instead of build because I wanted to get something smaller for the park. I feel like a lot of people are kind of intimidated by the 6-inch. What was I flying? Oh, geez. I can't remember the name of it right now. But anyway, so 6-inch quad is just too much for the park. So I picked up a brand new quad. This thing is like, I don't even see a YouTube video out on it, but I know it's going to be legit, even though I haven't floated yet. It is a new, and I mean brand new, IFlight Titan H3, not DC3, but the brand new H3, H-style frame, which I drastically like a lot more than a dead cat style frame, just for the sake of tuning and flyability. So here it is in all its glory. It is an H frame, which means no props in view. We'll get it down in here in the light. Pretty much the same form factor, style, setup as the DC3, which is a good thing, right? I mean, the DC3 is like touted as one of the best like B&F 3-inchers of this past year, and it's been out for several months now, 6-7 months. The Beetle came out since then, which I also have on the way, the 2.5-inch version of the Beetle. And I'll be dropping the air unit in that one, but this one came with it already set up, and it's a genuine air unit, full the TPU enclosure in there. It's legit. They really did a nice build. I'll get at the light in there. Look at those solder joints. I can't do that good at soldering. There's no flipping way. It's just no flipping way. So it's like, why even try? On 5-inch, I like building, but 3-inch just looks a little intimidating. But you got 1404 motors on here, F7 stack. Again, the legit, DJI Air unit. I am so stoked to try digital, man. I mean, man, I just can't wait. I took the 6-inch out a few days ago and flew a pack and was just like, oh my gosh, this is not even enjoyable knowing I got the digital stuff on the way. I know it's not for everyone, but I think for around here, for like park flying and just close proximity stuff, it's going to be great. But here it is, guys. I don't see any reviews on YouTube for this thing yet at all. There's like nothing on it. So it's like brand new. So there it is, H-style, legit. It is a unibody, unfortunately. I think a lot of them are like this, but you'll notice the whole front camera protection is a separate outfit, so if that gets busted up, that's easy to replace. My only gripe really is a cap hanging out the back. It seems to be a thing. That gets popped off, I'll probably reroute that and solder it up somewhere else. Well, not somewhere else, but I'll tuck it in under here or something. But there it is, came pre-set up. Even came with a bunch of little extras, which you get in the box. Here, I'll bust this open. Get a couple sets of props. Didn't look at them yet. I think they're HQs. So we get a couple sets of props. You get a goodie bag. And inside here, there's some cool stuff. You got extra straps, and you even have like a little TPU camera protector for the front lens. Just little nice touches. The little things that you would have to like sit around on the 3D printer, which, I got over here. It's cool. We can set that up and do all that. But it's just nice when you get the kit, and then it's just good to go. It's ready to go. Everything's here. A little few stickers and some bling. I plugged in a battery to make sure it's going to fire up legit. I got all the regular startup tones, so it sounds good. There it is, man. As soon as I get the DJI stuff and get this in the air, I'll get some flight footage out there. Sorry for being such a stranger, guys. Hoping to get back into this and feel rejuvenated. And I'm definitely itching to get up in the air with the whole new setup. And, it's been 2.5, 3 years as I'm flying analog. It's just time for a change. I'm really welcoming it. The time was right. I had the money. It kind of lined up appropriately with the sale they put on, and it's been out there for a year now, so it's time. Hey, I hope you guys are all doing great. Hopefully I'll start posting a little bit more and start watching some more of your guys' videos. Sorry for being such a stranger. Hope you guys are all doing great. I'll talk with you soon. And there it is again, the iFlight Titan H3 HD, I think is the formal name of it. All right, guys. Catch you later. Bye-bye.